video.
Of me sniffing the hose?
Yeah. What's up, everyone? Stephen Shaw here. And today, Mom and I are going to be transforming this laundry room. We removed the oil furnace and we switched the hose over to electric with heat pumps. And now we want to clean this room up. So that's what we're going to do, starting right now. So we got finished patching the big holes. See if I can find some for you. There's one. Here's a few. Yeah, we got a few. Where they at here? I think behind me here. Yeah, there's one. There's a big one. So we got them all patched up, ready for mud. Tomorrow we're gonna mud them, start working on the floor or a few other things we have to do. We're gonna call it a day for now and come back tomorrow and finish up. What is up, guys? So it is day 2. We got the holes patched yesterday, so now we just gotta get some mud on the walls here. Looks like Mom patched the concrete here. It was really chipped, so we're just gonna patch it where there's gonna be a lot of foot traffic. Along the edges, it doesn't really matter because it's gonna be covered anyways. So right now, we're just on our way to Home Depot. We gotta pick up some sheetrock, drywall, mixture, what do you call that? Compound to do the mudding. We'll just say mud. I mean, that's so much easier, mud. So here we go. So walls are mudded, and now just gotta wait for it to dry. We're gonna start putting the flooring down. I'm just talking to the camera. Had a bit of trouble with the mud because I didn't have a bucket to mix it in, and it kept running out. So there's one spot up here where I got a mixture of muds, and it just made a mess. So that's gonna require a lot of sanding, no big deal. Other than that, everything is looking great. Hey, Trink. This is our senior citizen dog. Trinket, how are you, Trinket? How you doing? Hmm? Yeah, she likes to bark a lot, don't ya? You like to bark a lot, don't ya? All right, well, while we're waiting for the mud to dry, we're gonna start laying down some flooring. Mom picked out these peel and stick tiles. Never worked with them before, so we'll see how well they go down. is down. What are your thoughts? Yeah, it does look good, doesn't it? Much better than just concrete. Sweet.
Absolutely.
I'm just covered in dust, man. This is such a dusty operation here. So much sanding, so many holes, so much mud. This little hose is just covered. It's time to build some cabinets. Forgetting things is the biggest time waster. So, putting the cabinet door hardware on last night, ran into a bit of an issue, and that is I started drilling into the wrong side, which sucks. But it's not too bad. You can't really notice it. We touched it up with some paint and we're okay with that. I offered to replace it, but just a tiny little hole, I guess. So anyways, it is what it is. Other than that, it's looking good. They look really good up there. Baseboard is complete. Boom! Alright, we're back. We're back in the laundry room. What's it in? We just got back from IKEA and we got the shelves to go above the washer and dryer. So we're gonna put them on now. All right, there we go. Complete. All right, that's a wrap, guys. Laundry room is complete. You know what? We should be friends. So why don't you hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and we'll be friends. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys.